Hi folks, Alan here for Social Horsepower and Promo Horsepower. Going to walk you through sending out a message today. I'm actually going to kill two birds with one stone. We're going to take a look at one of the more popular ways of using the software, which is to publish to a photo album on a fan page. So we'll go ahead and be able to do both those at the same time today. Obviously, and as always, when you log in, you're going to be greeted in your dashboard. First thing you want to do is you want to go to your messages and create a new Facebook message. So what we're going to do is always, you can filter your team using the filter system. We have an entire video dedicated to that. You can get into that if you need to. But for today's purposes and for today's demo, we're just going to go ahead and pick everybody and get right into creating the message. Creating the message should be pretty straightforward. It should be almost identical to using the Facebook interface. What we're going to do here is we're going to go ahead and create the message. So I don't know if you noticed, but if you had a look to the right here, as I was typing, there's an actual live preview that shows you what's happening in real time to your right. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and fill in the link text. The link text is your call to action and describes the reason why the user would be clicking on this link to look at these photos. And we'll just make something up, but I've got a pretty good idea. So that's your strong call to action. It could be a giveaway. It can just be something that's light and fun with no money attached. It also will work. I'm going to go ahead and just post a link to the album. I can show you how to get that very quickly. You're going to go to your fan page, click on albums, select the album that you want to share, and there's a little gear here. You're just going to click on get the link and copy that link. Once you have that link, you just paste it into the URL. We're going to come up with a quick description here. And the last thing we're going to do here is we're going to give this some cover art. Strongest suggestion I can make for you is that you're going to want to use a mid shot of 1 to 3 women, particularly if they're smiling. That's going to get you your best click-through rate. So let's go ahead and preview this. This is your last chance to make sure that you've got your spelling correct. This is exactly the message that you want to send out, and kind of make sure that everything that you want is in order. I'm going to talk to you briefly about scheduling. Now, what scheduling allows you to do is send out the message over the course of time. In this particular case, we've only got 2 members on our brand ambassador team, so it doesn't make a lot of sense. It's fine to just post right away. But if you've got 20, 30, 40, 50, 100 staff members and you publish simultaneously to all of their walls, it does 2 things. 1, it irritates your staff, and 2, it irritates users. So I strongly advise having those types of messages go out over the course of even 2 hours, let's say. So by going ahead and scheduling your post, what that does it will put it in a message queue, and it will post that message over the course of time and make it look more organic and natural for both your staff and for people who are seeing the ultimate message. But for the purposes of today's demo, we're going to just go ahead and blast right away. I'm going to publish that to both those walls, and that's it. Should be able to take a look at Jen's wall and Jen's timeline, refresh that. Jennifer's wall. Go ahead and click on that. It takes you through to the photo album. And if we go back to the campaign itself, we can see we just clicked, and the clicks themselves are counted in real time. So we'll also do the same thing for Evelyn here. We're going to go to Evelyn's profile, and you can see the exact same message was posted on Evelyn's wall as if she posted it herself. So we'll go ahead and click on that as well. Takes you through to the album. And then let's go ahead and take a look at our stats. Just refresh it. And you can see that she's had a click as well. So now you're in a great position. No more begging for status updates. No more needing to check up on your staff to see if they've promoted your event in the appropriate manner. It's all being done from one centralized location, and you're actually also be able to track the results, which is great because now you can make decisions on what the best marketing strategy is for you and your staff in order to get the maximum number of people through the doors to your events. In terms of clicks and likes, we also track those. Those aren't done in real time. We go out a set number of times per day to the Facebook servers and drag back that information. We do it at 2 hours, 4 hours, 24 hours, 72 hours, and at the end of the week. So these will fill in, and you will have a sense for the other types of engagement that do happen on Facebook, likes, comments, and clicks. And yeah, you'll have one centralized location. Just to go back very quickly and create another message. If for some reason you wanted this to go to your own website, let's just say, for example, really simple, you're just going to change the link location. And it's that easy. Just direct this to wherever you like, and you're off to the races. So that's how you create a blast. That's how you create a message for your team. If you have any questions, you need any help, we're always here to help, Monday to Friday, 9 to 5. Give us a call on our 800 number or drop us an email at info@socialhp.com. Thanks a lot, guys, and hope you enjoyed it. Cheers.